What is it about space that captivates everyone? Yet, the space program in 2011 is a pale comparison to the one in the 60s and 70s with the space race. In fact, according to my survey, few of you were unaware that the shuttle has just been retired less than a month ago. In this speech, I will first tell you what the shuttle program has accomplished. Next, I will inform you on what NASA is doing during this gap without a manned spacecraft. Finally, I will tell you what our next spacecraft could possibly look like and where we plan on going in the distant future. I am going to begin by giving you a brief overview of the shuttle progress accomplishments. The shuttle was NASA's first reusable spacecraft. Since the first launch of NASA's shuttles in 1981, Columbia, Discover, Atlantis, and Endeavour have flown 133 missions. Spacecrafts have carried people into and out of orbit, repeatedly launched, recovered, and repaired satellites, conducted cutting-edge research, and built the largest structure in space, the International Space Station. However, with success does come tragedy, with the crews of Challenger and Columbia being tragically lost over our airspace. Next, I am going to tell you what we are doing right now in the space program. Although there is no manned spacecraft, NASA is still sending astronauts to the International Space Station via the Russians. That is not all, for many unmanned explorations are also being advised. This October, NASA will launch GRAIL, an unmanned craft to study the interior of the moon. In November, we will launch Curiosity, a science laboratory to Mars to look for evidence of life. In February of 2012, we will launch Nuclear Spectroscopic Telescope Array to search for black holes, map supernova explosions, and study galaxies. Finally, I will tell you what is in the future for NASA. As of right now, it is unclear what NASA has planned for the replacement of our shuttle. Barack Obama has stated that he wants to go to Mars by 2035 and land on an asteroid by 2025. If we are to meet these goals, a dramatic redesign of our shuttle is going to need to happen. The shuttle, or spacecraft, will have to move in several different directions. It will have to be faster. It will have to be more environmentally responsible when taking off. And it will also have to withstand space for longer periods of time. In the meantime, Boeing is designing a commercial spacecraft for NASA to use to send astronauts to the International Space Station. Boeing says that the spacecraft is going to resemble one of Apollo. Although the future of NASA's space program is vaguely unclear, one thing is clear: commercial flights into space available to the public is in the imminent future, and the idea of outer space lodging is not too far behind. Throughout the speech, you have become aware of the NASA space program and its intentions at this pivotal point in space exploration. You know what the shuttle has accomplished, and you know what we are doing in the absence of a manned spacecraft. You also know our intentions for future explorations. As John F. Kennedy, arguably the most motivational person behind the space program, once said, "Now is the time for this nation to take clearly leading role in space achievement," which, in many ways, may hold the key to our future on Earth. Thank you.